Hello, it's Lynnie here. Welcome to our garden, mine and Thierry's garden. Thank you to Your Home, Your Garden for the inspiration to share our plant of the week. What are we going to choose? Okay, let's go through. We'll choose something for a plant of the week. It's very difficult. These are all my little bromeliads. It does have a lot of little edibles amongst them as well. And see, there's little tomatoes growing there. Over here is my kitchen herb garden. So it has lots of little herbs all hidden underneath and all tucked away. Look at the beautiful pineapple sage there, that lovely delicate red flower. We have all the little herbs growing under here. The lime. Oh, and there's the Lion King. That's the Lion King. That's Simba. Hello, Simmy. Say hello. Oh, we have a sapodilla. That's a lovely caramel fruit if you're not familiar with the tropical sapodilla. And that's our Cassie girl. Okay, what have we got around here? Oh, Sim. Simmy nearly knocked me over. He wanted to come to say hello. This is my little kitchen bush garden. I've just had them in pots. I have a big bush garden around the corner. But this is if you're not familiar with the Australian edible tucker bush, this is the sea celery. And it's just like celery that you can eat it. This is the beautiful lemon myrtle that makes a lovely tea. I use the leaves, I make a lapeto, like a fermented tea leaf salad. So you dry those along with the mulberry leaves. Here we have the beautiful mineral-rich plantain, which is very medicinal. Some call it a weed, but it has lots of uses. This is another tucker bush. This is the Australian bush basil. The smell of it is just incredible. So there's more in my little bush garden. Over here, I've just harvested a lot from here on the weekend. All our garlic came early this year. There's a comfrey. That's it. This is the type of lettuce that we grow because we don't get cold, we don't get a frost, so we can't grow icebergs or anything that needs to form a heart. So that's what we use for our lettuce. And we have a little banana bush there, that banana plant that's just fallen over, so he's ready to harvest. And some lovely pawpaws. Here's the amaranth. Isn't that pretty? It's all gone to seed. Such a beautiful colour. We have some little bush tomatoes growing. The pomegranate. It's only a little bush, that one. I've got a bigger one around. All my tulsi has all gone to seed, so we'll have lots of little tulsi flying around. There's the miracle fruit. We don't have any fruit on there at the moment. If you're not familiar with the miracle fruit, that's one that you can eat if you eat a sour food and then you eat some miracle fruit. It always tastes nice and sweet. Here's the beetle leaf. Again, a very medicinal plant. Beautiful as a little roll-up. You put your little veggies in there and roll it up like a little sushi. That's just a lovely little plant. It's very antifungal, so you can actually make a liquid from the beetle leaf. Our pink grapefruit's coming to an end, but we've got the last of the crop, and the last of the crop of our lemonade, which is here, that you can actually eat green. Like that. That's how you eat it. You don't wait for it to turn yellow, and it's a fruit that you can actually eat quite green, and it's always nice and sweet, but that's beautiful. That's the lemonade. And here we have the chocolate mousse plant. So it's a chocolate sapote being fruit. We have a white one as well, but that's a totally different, no relative, just the sapote, as I said, being fruit. So that's like your chocolate sapote. So there we are. It's a little one there, and we've got a really big crop of that at the moment. I don't know whether you can see all of those up there. You see all those? That's a big crop of chocolate mousse. Chocolate growing on a tree. Hello pumpkin. Hello, pumpkin. A nice curry leaf. Aloe vera everywhere. A little straggler pumpkin growing there. This is my little chicken house, and in here is my beautiful little meditation space. This used to be Thierry's cubby, but we made it into like a little meditating area where we come out at night time and light up the candles and put the rug on the floor. It is such a lovely little space. There's a good idea for you with an unused cubby. It's a nice little spot, isn't it? Hey, Tinky. And that's little Tinkerbell. Hey, Tinky. You're not a plant, though. So I think we'll end with our plant of the week. Could be this another lovely Aussie bush plant. This is your red pig face. It's not in flower at the moment. When it comes in flower in the spring or into the summer, it just has an amazing mass of red flowers that just comes all trailing down. So I'll have to bring you back when it's all in flower. Thank you for letting me share my garden with you, and have a beautiful day.